Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a bookmark from Bookmarks bar in Google Chrome on Windows 10. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first, okay? So just open your Google Chrome. You can see it's opened, and after that you have to go to your Bookmarks bar. So here I have this Bookmarks bar, and after that you have to go to the bookmark that you want to delete. So suppose if I want to delete this bookmark, then after that you have to right click on that. So let me right click on this, and then you have to click on this delete, this option. So let me click on this delete, and you can see it's now deleted. So this is the first method. So let me show you this second method. So to delete a bookmark by using second method, you have to click on this three dots at the top right, and then go to this bookmarks, and then click on this bookmark manager. And I have this screen opened, and make sure guys you have this bookmarks bar, this option selected. So I have this option selected, and you can see I have all of my bookmarks showing. So just go to the bookmark that you want to delete. So suppose if I want to delete this bookmark, so after that you have to click on this three dots next to your bookmark that you want to delete. So let me click on this three dots, and here we have various options. So you have to click on this delete, this option. So let me click on this delete, and you can see it's now deleted. After that you can close this tab. So let me open a new tab. Let me close this, and if I come to this bookmarks bar, you can see the Facebook bookmark is now deleted. So that's it. In this way you can easily delete a bookmark from bookmarks bar in Google Chrome on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.